Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite crash. Here's the first step. First press Windows R and then type in app data and then click enter and then local and then click on Fortnite game and then saved and then cloud and then delete these and then go back and then config and then delete the crash reboot client and then delete these and then check here and then make sure that this is set on read only. I don't like it because of it doesn't do my settings to save in Fortnite, so I do it like this. So you make sure to click it to read only and click on apply and click on OK. Then go back and go back to and go to Epic and look saved crashes, delete all of them, then go back and then Fortnite game again saved demos and then you just look at it, it's just your replays and then this and then delete this if you have it. It's only supposed to be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Delete this and then we're done here and then go to your where your Fortnite is located. Go to Epic Games and then launcher and then engine and then binaries and then Win64. You'll see Epic Games and leave it, it's not the correct one. Easy anti-cheat and then click on it. Uninstall and install and then finish. That's what you're supposed to do, guys. Repair again and then finish. And then check again, Win60, no boy, where did I go now? Then go back here, binaries, Win64. Okay, it's not the one, go back. It's this one, easy anti-cheat. It's not here anymore. Then program file, this is what we need. Epic Games, click on Fortnite engine and then Fortnite game and then binaries Win64. What you're going to do here is click on properties and then component and then do this disabled full screen optimization. Run this program in Windows 8 and then disable full screen optimization. Run this, okay, and then click here and then just copy, guys, and then click on OK. Click on this and click on this here, properties. Do it here, copy this. Don't click here because of mine it's not playing. If you want, you can do it. Mine is not playing if I do it, and then do this again. I just launched Fortnite by mistake, sorry guys. And then do this. After, guys, go to D3D. Battle A. I know it. Where is it? Easy anti-cheat. Click on it. Yes. And then repair service. And then finish. When you're done, guys, wait. I need to end task Fortnite. Okay, it's not coming in though. But I double clicked. Okay. Go ahead in your Epic Games launcher, guys. Click on here, click on settings. Go down, click on Fortnite. What you want to do, guys, it will be like this shows. So you are going to click on this, click on edition, combine line arguments, and then click right D3 D11 and then don't do anything, leave just close it here and go out and restart your PC and then you'll be set.